In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Datagrid to send emails. So the first thing we're going to do is connect to our email service. I go to Manage Apps and I look for the Send Mail tool, Connect, and I'm going to use Outlook, my Microsoft service, so I'm going to connect to that. Your first time connecting, you may notice that you'll need your administrator to grant permission to the app, but to request that permission, or if you have the ability, accept it and continue. One thing that you should note is that there are scopes on connections that are established in Datagrid. So in this case, this is configured to be at the user scope, but I could also set up this connection to be shared with my team space, to be shared with other agents that other people are going to use. So now that we have that set up, I'm going to work off of an observation that Datagrid had created for me in Procore. And I'm going to point out that it is a pretty serious issue, and I think that we need additional training for the team. Because that's something that I want to work on with my manager, I'm going to ask Datagrid to first draft me an email covering that, but then we're going to send that to my manager, Tiago. And so we'll see that Datagrid thinks about the observation that had previously been created. It's going to draft up a sample response. And given that I think it's pretty reasonable, it captures the essence of what I wanted to say, I'm just going to ask it to send it to Tiago. In this case, because I asked it to send it, it did not create a draft, but I could equally suggest Datagrid, please create a draft for Tiago or something along those lines. So now let's go check out our Outlook. And there we go in our sent email. There's that email to Tiago. Hey, we need additional training for the team due to these ongoing safety observations that have been occurring. That's it. Pretty straightforward. Enjoy the product.